Invalidators of fasting, how to break the fast. Just the basic few rules, but make sure qada is wajib. If anyone break the fast by following any of this reason, they have to refast after holy month of Ramadan, inshallah. So number one is eating, fasting will break. Drinking, fasting will break. Eating or drinking by force, fasting will break. Inserting oil or medicine to the ears or nose, fasting will break. Vomiting mouthful, fasting will break. To return vomit down the throat, fasting will break. Eating or drinking accidentally or by mistakenly, fasting will not break. But after realizing, if you eat or drink continue, then fasting will break. The next one is eating or drinking after Subh Sadiq, fasting will break. One thing remember, from Maghrib till Fajr time, we have a time to eat, we allow to eat. From the late night till Fajr, between this time called is Subh Sadiq. So after time of Fajr, if you eat anything or drink, then your fasting will break. Swallowing intentionally a piece of paper or anything that is not food or medicine, then fasting will break. Some of our brothers and sisters has a bad habit. Some has a biting nails, skin, pen, or anything else. So if they bite it and swallow it, which is not food and medicine, still their fasting gonna be break. To break the fast before sunset due to faulty watch or cloudy sky. Let me explain to you about the faulty watch and cloudy sky. We cannot always depend on the clock or watch. We need to find other sources as well. Imagine in first Ramadan is time of Maghrib 8:30 p.m. So you break your fast 8:30 p.m. exactly. So when the first Ramadan, your clock is going to the 8:35, it is broken. And the next day, time of breaking fast is 8:35. And you did not realize your clock is not working, your watch is not working. And the next day, you break your fast straight away by looking your clock or watch. And after breaking your fast, you realize actually you break your fast before sunset. Like you break your fast like 8 o'clock. Then your fasting going to be break. And cloudy sky. The old time people used to follow the sunset. So imagine you following the sun setting. Just before sunset, cloud come and cover the sun. And you realize actually it's the Maghrib time. You break your fast. After breaking your fasting, you realize actually you break your fast before sunset because the cloud moved from the sun. That means your fasting going to be break. Swallowing something edible which was stuck between the teeth. However, if you take it out and swallow it, then your fasting going to be break. Let me give you example. Suppose you had some food in suhoor time, like some hard food such as meat. So meat can easily stuck between the teeth. And imagine you did not clean your teeth properly, did not take them out from your teeth before Fajr. When you wake up next day and this stuff came out from your teeth, between your teeth, and you swallow it, definitely your fasting going to be break. When water goes down the throat whilst gargling, fasting going to be break. Gargling is sunnah of wudu. We need to be very careful in the holy month of Ramadan, especially from Fajr, Zuhur, Asr time when you make wudu. We should be careful when gargling, or we can avoid from gargling because there's the most likely chance water can go down the throat, because these 3 times you're going to be fasting. The next one is doing intercourse while fasting. Fasting going to be break. My brothers and sisters, these are very basic invalidate of fasting. That has more rules. If you need, you can look or search for from other sources, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan.